Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So you got a traffic ticket and you're thinking about fighting it in court, but you're banking on one thing, the officer not showing up. It's a classic piece of advice you hear from friends and family, the idea that if the cop is a no-show, your case gets thrown out automatically. But how often does that actually happen? The truth is, it's not as common as you might think, and relying on it as your only strategy is a big gamble. Let's break down the factors that determine whether that officer will be standing there on your court date. First, let's talk about why an officer might not show up. They could be on vacation, have a conflicting court appearance for a more serious case, be in a training session, or simply have a scheduled day off. In some rare cases, they may have left the police force or transferred to another district. If the ticket was for a very minor infraction, it's possible it just falls through the cracks. However, the reasons for them to show up are much more compelling. For most officers, appearing in court is a required part of their job. Their departments have policies, and skipping a court date without a very good reason could lead to disciplinary action. A huge factor is overtime pay. Many police departments pay officers overtime to appear in court, often with a minimum number of hours paid, even if the case only takes a few minutes. For some, it's a significant and easy way to boost their income, so they have a strong financial incentive to be there. The seriousness of your ticket also plays a major role. If you were cited for reckless driving, a DUI, or excessive speeding in a school zone, you can bet the officer will make every effort to be present. For a simple ticket like going 5 miles over the speed limit, the priority is lower, but still not zero. Another key element is how the court system is organized. Many jurisdictions now use a system where they schedule all of an officer's traffic cases for one specific day or a block of time. This makes it incredibly efficient for the officer to show up and handle dozens of cases at once, dramatically increasing the likelihood they will be there for yours. So, what's the bottom line? While an officer failing to appear does happen, and it usually results in a dismissal, the systems in place today make their attendance much more likely than it was decades ago. You should never go to court assuming the officer won't be there. Always be prepared to actually defend your case based on the facts. Showing up gives you 2 chances to win, the small chance the officer is absent, and the chance you can present a successful argument to the judge. Thanks for watching. If you've ever had a ticket dismissed because the officer didn't show up, share your story in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more straightforward explanations of common legal questions.